Today I am going to review this machine, Magister Es40, which is made in Italy and is part of our series of under $2,000 espresso machine for small to medium-sized cafes. This is a fully automatic coffee machine, 58mm Magister group head with thermosiphonic circulation. It uses vibration pump. It has a steam boiler, pressure gauge, electronic boiler temperature control that is adjustable through the touch dials on top of the panel. It has a 1.2 liter boiler capacity, 1,450 watts. The motherboard is embedded with temperature control and on and off function. The name is Magister. Magister means master in English. Master meaning this is the coffee machine for the masters. But I am not a master and I definitely can use this. Very easy to use. Let's take a look at the features of this machine. It is very, very compact, very small. It's only 25 centimeter wide, 40 meters long, and also the height is 33 centimeter. That is very compact. In fact, it is a little bit too small for me, so if you're taller than I am, it'll be quite hard for you to work this machine. But it produces great espresso shots, and also the steaming function is just beyond normal. So I have shown you machines that are worth less than $1,000. Those work okay, but if you can afford it slightly more, this is over $1,000 but less than $2,000, about $1,600 to be exact. And of course you have the more premium one, which is right behind me, which is over $3,000 but below $4,000. So how does this machine fare in making espresso shots and also making lattes or hot drinks? The machine is made of steel frame, painted bodywork, which is black, and it also has some touches of red, which is, I say, gorgeous. For me, I love the combination of black and red. It also has a tall cup design. That means you can extract your espresso shots straight into tall cups, and it has a cup tray here which you can use if you have, or if you're making hot coffee and you'd like to pull your espresso shots closer to the cup, avoiding the mess. For the water tank, it has a built-in capacity of 3 liters, but the good thing about this machine is that it has a suction hose which can be attached to an external water tank or to your water mains. You don't have to worry about refilling the water tank every so often. Now for the water, make sure that you don't use the mineral water. You should use only distilled or purified water or soft water. The top also has a grid which serves as a cup warmer, perfect warmer for your hot coffee. So every time you make hot coffee, you don't need to rinse this cup with hot water. You can pull your espresso shots straight into the cups. Let's take a look at the front panel. We have the steam one, which is on the left this time. Well, actually, yes, it is normally on the right. This time it is on the left. Maybe the one that designed this machine is left-handed. And then you have the water nozzle, which is on the right. I must say that the steam one of this machine is very quiet, and also it makes that microfoam a little bit longer. Some of the machines that I've used are very, very quickly. It comes with a microfoam and you cannot use it for latte. It's more for cappuccino type of drinks. But for this, it is easy enough to make that microfoam and maintain that microfoam for pouring latte art. Now the panel has got 5 touch buttons. You got the single shot espresso, and the second button is actually for coffee, not for espresso. That means if you want to pull a longer shot. So there is that second button, and then the third button is the double shot of espresso. The fourth button is for double shot of coffee. That means more water passing through your coffee grounds. And the final button here is the one which is continuous flow, so you can start and stop anytime you want to. Even the bars on this machine is only 1, 1.2, 1.5, and according to the instruction manual, your shot should be about 1 to 1.2 bars, and you should get that perfect shot. You can program the dose, you can set the temperature, you can set the pre-infusion time. So this machine does all that. You can customize it according to your own needs. But I would suggest to start with, you use the default of the machines. Okay? For the water, it's quite easy. You don't have to program how much water you need to use because it just flows continuously. So you turn it on to the left, anti-clockwise, to if you want to pull your water, hot water, and then turn it clockwise to shut it off. So there is no programming required for the water that will be pulled out of this machine. When you get this machine for the first time, what do you need to do? Well, the switch is also a little bit difficult to find. I must say that when I first started unboxing this machine, I tried to find the switch. I went at the bottom of the machine, the size and all that, I couldn't find it. Whereas actually at the bottom of the panel here on top, so it's on the right-hand corner, and it is hiding really. But when you turn on the machine, you will see two lights here. First, the red light turns on, which means that the water tank is being filled. And then when that turns off, the white light turns on. And the white light is to indicate that the heat exchanging system is working. When do you know that this machine is ready to be used? When both the lights, red and white, are completely off, then the machine is ready to use. Let's take a look at what comes with the machine. It comes with this beautiful design of portafilter. I must say I really like it. It's got a special design of the portafilter where the spout is actually covered. Now, what's so special about having a covered spout? It really is not as messy as the uncovered ones. Sometimes the shots really goes all over the place, so just make sure that it's all tidy. The portafilter also comes with a single basket. Now the single basket is good for a single shot of espresso. With this machine, I found that you don't need to fill it to about 9 grams because the standard recommendation is to put 7 to 9 grams of coffee beans into your basket. What I found with this machine is you need to use a little bit finer espresso grind, and then you don't need to use up to 9 grams. I say 6 to 8 grams would be perfect for this machine. That means you are actually saving on your coffee beans and you still get that beautiful espresso shot. And for the double basket, you can start from about 14 to about 16 grams, and that's already your double shot of espresso. It also comes with a blind basket. Now, what is the purpose of this blind basket? This is used to back flush or to clean your group head. So the water will just flow around it and your group head is cleaned. I would suggest that you do this every so often, even after pulling about 3 to 4 shots of coffee and you have time on your hands whilst waiting for the next customer. I would suggest that you do a back flush. Another thing that comes with the machine is the cup tray. So this is to make sure that your cup is closer to the group head. It also comes with a plastic tamper, which will not work. You need to get one that is solid stainless steel for this machine. Okay, this is only as a backup. And it also comes with a scoop. Okay, so now that you know the feature, we are going to start making our coffee. Let me pull 1 shot of espresso and make a latte. My first latte using Magister Es40 single group espresso machine. It is absolutely very refreshing to use because I use a lot of different models of espresso machine, and I must say the steaming function of this machine is absolutely perfect for the price. It's time to taste my latte. I think I got the perfect shot of espresso and that milk. This machine generated a delicious microfoam, and also it is very quiet. It's almost like a silent machine. Well, I'm not surprised that this machine has been dubbed by a premium Italian newspaper as the coffee machine for the masters. Check out the description box below for details on where and how to order. Take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.